Hello, in this video I will show you how you can improve battery life on POCO M7 Pro. First of all, open the settings. From here, go to battery. Here is the current mode, so you can select battery saver or ultra battery saver. Also in the battery section you can find battery protection, and here is the charging protection modes. You can select battery protection and smart charging, and these two features allows you to charge your POCO M7 Pro only up to 80%, but in the long term it can help you with getting better battery health. So I recommend you to use these two options instead of charge fully up to 100%. Also, you can reduce the brightness of your screen by swiping down your quick settings menu. You are able to find this brightness slider. You can change the brightness of your POCO M7 Pro, make it more dark, and this allows you to get better battery health. Also remember about closing apps in the background. So go to the recent apps, and from here just simply close the apps, and this can help you also. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching and subscribe.